Okay, I hope this is going to work properly. I'm going to put my phone on my desk, and if this doesn't work, I will be a bit sad, but here we go. I'm now going to use my new vacuum cleaner like this. Just got to get the hose. It's a really long hose, this one. It's like gigantuan, it's massive. Haven't even turned it on yet. I've just got to bring it out here a bit. Jeez, hang on. Let me just check something. Just bringing it out. It is huge. Okay, here she goes. This is what it sounds like. without stopping. Secondly, I can literally vacuum without having to change it. With a Davis vacuum cleaner, you've got to change it every 2 or 3 uses. With a vacuum cleaner with a bag, it's not like bagless. It has one filter in it. Some of them have more, but I've got one that's just got one filter. And there is one bag. Now, with this setup that I've got, and it's expensive, but it's fucking worth it, all you do is vacuum the floor about, I don't know how many times in 6 months you will do it before you have to change it. But all you're doing is vacuum the floor anytime you want. You just keep vacuuming every other day or whatever. And one day when the van is full, you can change it and leave it for 12 months or 18 months. Now, with this vacuum cleaner, you can change the suction rate. So, small suck, maximum suck, whatever. It's up to you. But, if there's a lot of stuff in the carpet that you don't want in the carpet, you simply change how hard it sucks in the carpet, and nothing, just like this. Forward, forward, across, forward, across, forward. Oh, this thing under the that happened. There's the lead for this one up. Suction. Push it in. Then push it down. Start again. And we're going to pull the vacuum cleaner in and start again. Oh, this is amazing. Turn. Go to the door. Back. To the left a bit. Forward. Back. Forward. Go a little bit right. Back. Forward. Go a little bit right. Couple of short strokes. A little bit right here and there. Back. Then go a little bit more right. Forward. Then go a little bit left. Back. Now, that is my clean carpet. My room's pretty well clean though, so I'm going to turn it off. And press the tiles back out the other way, like that. Hang up the bath mat. Get these towels out here. Take those to the laundry. Like so. And this isn't even a stressful vacuum cleaner experience. I'm going to throw these into my laundry tub. Like that, right? Then find my vacuum cleaner, turn it on like so. Then go into my bathroom like this. Drag the vacuum cleaner behind you like that. Like that. Do the bathroom. Like that. This is how I've got it in my phone. It's gentle, it's around everything carefully. It's just like that. And guess what? My bathroom is all done. Already. It's all done. Look at all this stuff. Now, do you see me panicking and having to change my bag and filter and that? No, you don't. I turned it off. The next step is unplugging the filter. Not the filter, the unplugging the power point, because my bedroom's pretty clean at the moment. I'll give it a vacuum in a few days. And unplugging that. Don't worry about the vacuum cleaner cord at the moment, because I'll show you in a minute what happens. Okay, put this aside. Yep. Now I'll go back to my vacuum cleaner because this is important. Do you think I'm having to change anything in it? No. It's sitting here feeling good for itself because I worked it. Now always bring the cord in front of me because I want to show you what happens. It's a long cord and I want to show you when I press the thing in, this is what happens. Oh, hang on. Oh, the cord's tangled. That is how you retract the cord. Now, if I wanted to change this vacuum, I'd pull the front open and I'd get the bag out and put a new one in. And next year I'll take the filter out and put a new one in. But this vacuum cleaner isn't designed for cleaning with every use. It's designed for cleaning every 6 months if it's really filthy and 12 months if you use it once a week. Okay? So that's all. It literally doesn't need to be changed or cleaned or anything. Now I'm going to put it away. I'm going to put it away. Oh, there's there's some kind of clip thing on the side that it, how did Joe do that? I think I don't know how she did that. Stand it up on its end and somehow clip the side of it. I don't know how she did that. Oh, how did she do that? Anyway, I'm not going to try. So I'm picking up my neat little machine. I've got it with me right here. I've got it right here in my hands. Is it giving me a stroke or a panic attack? No, it's not. No, it isn't. I'm simply going to take it, walk over my clean floor, and put it away like this. Just put it away. Just like that. That's it, guys. The floor's done. Now I can get the steam mop out and actually steam mop the floor, but I think maybe the kitchen needs a bit of a mop, but I can do that anytime this week. And it feels pretty clean. And the vacuum cleaner's quiet when you're using it. And also, there's nothing to it. So I declare that I hate bagless vacuum cleaners. I'll never ever buy one of the stupid shitty bastards again. Look, with a bagless vacuum cleaner, you have literally got to change it every 2 or 3 uses. You got to tip the stuff out into the bin and, you know, take out the stupid crappy air filter thing that's in. It's not even a HEPA, which is HEPA filter. It's some abbreviation thing. You literally have to change this and do that, and you only have to clean the filter every, 12 weeks, and then you put it back in the vacuum cleaner and you change the bagless thing by emptying it every, I don't know, 3 weeks. And no, it's easy. No, it's not. With the bag vacuum cleaners, you don't do anything. You just leave it till it's full. Then you change it. And the filter that's in this bag vacuum cleaner isn't designed to be cleaned every 3 weeks or changed every 4 or 5 months, or I don't know, some of them are 6 weeks in some of these crappy modern machines. But if you just get one where the filter is just there and you don't even worry about it, well, that's it. That's it. Well, that's it, honestly. I can just sit here and relax like I haven't even worked up a proper sweat yet. Yeah, it's summer and I get a bit sweaty because it's hot, but I'm not sweating because my vacuum cleaner, oh my god, I'm panicking and this is too hard. Nope, not any of that today. It just happened. It just happened. And am I happy about that? I feel good about using my vacuum cleaner. I will not change brands again. I will not be changing vacuum cleaners, models, nothing. I'm keeping every receipt so that I get the same bloody vacuum every time. If this one carks it in 10 years, or whatever the case, I'll get a new one. Oh my god, guys, how easy is it to vacuum a floor? Yeah.